In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to Dashlane, a secure and convenient password manager that helps keep all your login credentials in one place. This process is straightforward and a great way to ensure that all your app logins are easily accessible and securely saved. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type Dashlane into the search bar. From the results that appear, go ahead and click on the first link or directly on the link with the URL dashlane.com. This will take you to the Dashlane homepage where you can begin the login process. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your login details, so put in your email and password. It's crucial to remember your Dashlane login information, as this is the gateway to all your saved credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Dashlane home screen. From here, navigate to the side menu where you'll see a section labeled Logins. Go ahead and select it. You'll notice an option to +Add New. Click on that to start adding a new app credential. Now it's time to input the specific details for the app you're adding. You'll need to fill in the username and password fields with your login information for that app. It's also necessary to include the website field. This is where you enter the app's official website address, which is crucial for Dashlane's autofill feature to function properly. If you're concerned about password security, Dashlane offers a nifty feature: the built-in password generator. It can create strong, unique passwords for you. Feel free to use this feature, or you can input your secure password if that's your preference. As you continue, consider adding an item name. This is a simple label for easy identification in your list of logins. You can also make use of the Notes section. It's a handy space for additional details such as a PIN, answers to security questions, or any other information you might need quick access to. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and double-checked for accuracy, click on the Save button. Doing so will add this login information securely to your Dashlane vault, making it quickly accessible whenever you need it. Congratulations! You've successfully added an app to your Dashlane account. By keeping all your app logins in one secure location, you can manage your credentials with ease and peace of mind. Remember, it's always best practice to regularly update your passwords and use strong combinations for increased security. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.